Have you ever understood English perfectly while listening, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank? You know the words, you know the grammar, but speaking still feels difficult. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to teach you one of the most powerful techniques for improving spoken English naturally, shadowing. Not only will you learn what shadowing is, but we'll also practice together in real time. Grab your headphones, relax, and speak out loud with me. Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to English and repeat it immediately, almost like becoming the speaker's shadow. You don't wait too long, you listen and repeat instantly. For example, if the audio says, "How are you doing today?" you immediately match it. The goal is not perfection. The goal is rhythm, pronunciation, speed, confidence, and a natural speaking flow. Your brain starts copying real English patterns automatically. Most English learners spend too much time memorizing grammar, studying vocabulary lists, and reading silently. But speaking is a physical muscle skill. Your mouth needs active training. Shadowing trains your physical pronunciation, listening speed, intonation, connected speech, and vocal confidence. Think about music. You don't become a great guitarist by reading a book about guitars. You practice. Shadowing makes your mouth faster, your ears sharper, and your speaking automatic. Before we practice, let's avoid common errors. Mistake 1 is repeating too slowly. Do not wait 5 seconds after a phrase is done, repeat almost immediately, even if it feels messy at first. Mistake 2 is focusing only on words. Don't just copy raw vocabulary, copy the emotion, rhythm, pauses, and musical tone. Mistake 3 is being afraid of sounding silly. Fluency requires vocal physical repetition out loud, never silently. Let's practice together. I will speak a sentence clearly, and you will repeat after me inside the time gap. Copy the accent, rhythm, and emotion exactly. Ready? Let's go. Good morning. How are you today? I'm trying to improve my English every day. Can you help me with this? I didn't understand that. Could you repeat it? What do you usually do on weekends? Excellent. Now let's make it a little faster. Repeat immediately inside the gap. Notice how native speakers connect words together like, "What are you doing?" becoming, "What are you doing?" Let's speak. Hey, do you want to grab some coffee later? Sure, what time were you thinking? Maybe around 3 o'clock. Sounds good to me. I've been really busy lately. Yeah, me too. Work has been stressful. Here is a simple daily shadowing routine to use at home. Step 1, choose a very short audio track, like a 30-second YouTube video or interview snippet. Step 2, listen once normally to absorb the general meaning. Step 3, play sentence by sentence and repeat immediately, copying pronunciation, speed, and raw emotion. Step 4, repeat multiple times. Repetition creates fluency. Step 5, record yourself. Hearing your own voice helps you spot rhythm errors instantly. Ready for a real challenge? This section is fast and natural. Do not stop if you miss a word, keep moving forward. Let's practice emotional intonation shifts. Honestly, I didn't expect the meeting to take that long. By the time we finished, everybody was exhausted. Have you seen that new cafe downtown? No, but I've heard really good things about it. That's incredible. Let's shadow practical everyday English situations that you can use immediately in the real world. At a restaurant and airport. Could I see the menu, please? I'd like to order the chicken pasta. Where is the check-in counter? What time does boarding start? How's your day going so far? That sounds really interesting. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes every single day is better than 2 hours once a month. Remember, don't aim for absolute perfection, aim for communication. Practice out loud daily because silent study will never create fluent physical speech. Be patient with yourself. If you enjoyed this lesson, comment below. I will practice shadowing every day, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you next time.